together, we are so better together.
Red, right? Because when I'm ready to go and move in, I'm looking for what I'm looking for, but I need to also understand and give others room to process and do what they need to do. So.
But there's a lot on each and every one of your plates, yes or no? Yes. Do you think you got more on your plate than he does?
And at the end of the day, it's really all about how you leave them feeling and leaving people wanting more.
You know, Janice pointed out that she's not very red, and I said, Janice, you can be very direct sometimes when we interact.
And was she aware of that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm a red-blue. I'm a very complicated person.
Same.
And for me as a people pleaser, I have to, that's my desire is to make everyone happy, but I can't.
It's impossible.
It's impossible, and that's where I'm conflicted.
Seek to hit the majority. We call it the rule of 51. My goal is to be in the high 90 percentile, but I'm living by the rule of 51. If we can move or touch or impact 51% of the people in this room, we did our job. What's that doing for me when I do that?
It makes you feel good. You won.
And take the pressure off of trying to get something that's impossible.
So I'm a white, but I tend to listen more. My blind side is power and being at the table and voicing my concerns.
So then she puts herself in a negative space and feeling back because she's not processing as fast as the others, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let's do the Diana thing. Diana's leading now. Let's go like this now. 2, 3, break it down. All right, that's good, that's good.
Kind of like what Rob was saying, the fun, but then there's a time where you have to switch that.